For IFA, it's been a very interesting journey, having partnered with Art First Foundation from Mumbai. We've partnered a master program here in the Bangalore chapter. The idea was for us to begin to talk to our Bangalore-based artists who've been doing very interesting work and are extremely reputed in their own genre of work. How do they communicate with our children from school, particularly with the urban bred schools? You see children who are coming from the most affluent schools. At the same time, you have children coming from not-for-profit run schools, some of them who are completely from the underprivileged backgrounds. Having an opportunity to talk to these renowned artists itself is a new experience of sorts. Most often we see the arts education curriculum that's run in schools has a very skewed way of design, which limits the larger perspective that one could bring to the study itself. And Partner a Master is actually breaking boundaries in that way.
I think art is not, art is more than just doing painting or sculpture. I see art as a way of entering the world. Art as a way of seeing. Art also is a medium. Art also is a guiding philosophy for one's own holistic development. It is more for you to creatively engage with the world and with oneself.
When we say who's going to benefit from this, besides the artists and the children, I think there's a larger community that we'll be addressing in the process. One, the teacher community, who will look at the arts curriculum very differently by the end of it. Second, the artists, when they start working with children, the way they will get them to hone their understanding of the arts is one part of it. The second part is transferring that skill of being the artist of a certain practice, which is going to be even more exciting for children to take away. While we do all of this, the part B of this entire process is the grand exhibition that we're trying to put together. Now there comes a curatorial thinking. So the understanding of how an exhibition is put forth is even more exciting for both ends. And I think the art schools will also start looking at arts education in a very different way. I guess there are many beneficiaries of this particular project, but particular focus being for the children who are undergoing the program and the artists themselves. This entire program has been looked at as a 7-month engagement with artists. Each artist will open up their studios 1 month, which means 4 Saturdays, where the children will work with the artist in understanding their philosophy of work, their practice, the materials that they use, and also see how it can actually weave into somebody else's medium of practice as well.
We have a snake and ladder game in Rangoli, which is quite interactive and people really love that. I just want to use these images and create another snake and ladder. You walk in the city through these images. If there's a challenging issue like a garbage problem or pollution or some other things, then you come down and there are certain areas where you go up and there's parks and lakes and things like that. So there's so many things which we would like to try that as a part of a game, but at the same time making children aware of their surroundings and also sort of relate to or to be sensitive to the issues of the city of like Bangalore.
I'm going to invite the kids to use the space, move around, explore the space, look at the objects they've collected, etc. And try and understand what aesthetics is. And this could give them an opportunity to explore how artists live, work, and possibly make them more curious about how artists create.
It's really a big scope. You'll find that in like to recognize others' work and to document others' work. This is very need of our hour. You go to art schools, also you still try to teach them that what only you can make out of hand. But what you can also kind of bring in things conceptually also is not happening. Like what we call as an assemblage. Working with somebody else's work or collaborating with somebody else's material will be your understanding of art also. It's not only that you have to really, as we say, that we have to bring out the subconscious, through your ideas and drawings and things like that. It's also that you recognize things around, That becomes very important.
It's just funny. It's nothing serious. But you can address all topics, all kinds of things with it. Usually the problem is we're not exposed to it at an early age or enough to have that visual vocabulary to go through sequential storytelling format easily. Kids really have a thing for like just not having, not being held back by all your what do you call them? What you built around yourself, and they tend to see it just as the art. So if it's clear enough for them, they'll pick it up and leave it.
So we have Viju Jo, Surekha, Ravi Kumar Kashi, CF John, Suresh Jairam, and Suresh, Samuha Suresh. At IFA we run several such initiatives, and Partner and Master is one such, which is completely in alignment with its key program, Arts Education. However much we have taken the onus to run this program in full, we always need support. Of the 25 students, 10 of them really need your generous support to avail this opportunity. We hope that you will not only be inspired by them, but also draw all your friends and families to come and support in whatever way that they think is appropriate for these children to have this opportunity. Please, you're more than welcome to join us during the workshop, witness it for yourself, and also bring the joy to that final exhibition that we're planning early 2015, where you and your family can be part of. And I'm sure you will have lots to feel proud of having supported these children. Thank you.